Hi guys. So some of you are actually already thinking of how to get the um, cartoon animator software. So if you would like to get the cartoon animator software, this is how you get the software. You simply go to or simply Google Revolution Cartoon Animator. Okay, so once you do that, it brings you to this animate your own cartoons and all that by Revolution. Click on it, and that takes you to the Cartoon Animator 5 platform. So right now they're giving a free Cartoon Animator webinar which goes live. This is 22nd. Today is 23rd actually, so this should be later today. So you could actually see quite a lot of things that Cartoon Animator was used to create from just the first glance on the website. Okay, so you could actually have subscribe to the newsletter. This comes in as you're watching, it just pops up automatically. So you could scroll down and see other things you could find in the Cartoon Animator um, program. Okay, so you could have all of this. You could read through it if you'd like to know more. But for you to have the application or the software, you can either purchase it in their store or once you click on their store, you see that they have a content store or marketplace. You can actually make that purchase, or you simply come to to click to have a free trial. Okay, free trial, and when you click on free trial, it downloads a Revolution hub for you. So I'm going to show you how that's done. So I'll click on free trial. So when you click on free trial, it says start download. Okay, so when you start download, one other thing you need to do while the download is on, okay, is to come to come to my account and you create account. So you can come to my account up here and you click on my account and you create an account. Now I have an account with Revolution, and you can come in here and create it. If you don't have an account, you will need to click on create an account. I have an account. I could actually go ahead to click on email and password, but just to have just to show you how it looks or what it looks like, once you click on create an account, it tells you to enter your first and last name, email address, and follow the prompts. It tells you to go back to your email, and after you go back to your email and you click on approve, it now creates an account for you basically. But because I have an account, I can easily do that. So, and after downloading your free trial and installing it, the first thing it installs is your Revolution hub. So the Revolution hub looks something okay, so it looks something like this. All right, so I have some Revolution applications already purchased, and I have Cartoon Animator as a trial version. So you see 10 days remaining, and that's what you see when you open your Revolution. Okay, and so basically what you see is this, and the next thing you will need to do is to click on the arrow here, and you now, oh sorry, on your own version you are going to see try. So once you click on try, Revolution is going to upload or download about almost 1.5 gig worth of content in order to install. And once you're able to install, it changes from try to open, and once you click on open, as I am doing right now, it's going to open Cartoon Animator. It says I have an unsaved project. Would you like to update your project? Let's say no, there's no need. Okay, so it now opens my cartoon animator for me, tells me, yeah, I have 10 more days to go, but I have a 40% off welcome coupon once I go back with this coupon code RL welcome 40. Revolution actually does a good job in giving coupons for those who would like to make purchases. For instance, when I actually purchased the other Revolution application, iClone and Character Creator, I purchased some other things from the platform, like 4 or 5 other applications, and I was giving quite some slash. So they actually do quite a good job in giving discounts for those who make purchases on their platform. And Revolution, you could check the website out. Okay, if we decide to probably go to the store, go to the content store to check for the price of cartoon animator, so you could actually make your own purchase of the application, and I think it's about $120. Okay, so on the content store, you're going to see quite a lot of things on iClone, Character Creator, Cartoon Animator. Under Cartoon Animator, you see different things on the actors, on the animation, and on the scenes. Okay, so you could find quite a lot you could purchase here, even character movement and all of that, you know. But if you would like to buy the software, you could check through the content store, and you'll find how a lot on how to get the application. You can actually go to the marketplace also, or software store, and you will see quite a lot. I think before I end this tutorial, I would like us to have a look at the software store so that we can have an idea of how much. I think, in my opinion, I think it's actually quite cheap to get the application, and you will likely be given a discount if you get it as soon as possible. So it's about $109 at the moment, $109 at the moment, and first purchase only use this coupon code, and it gets the amount dropped to about almost approximately $90. Okay, so you could actually buy the software lifetime for about $90. Okay, so you could try it out, but for the purpose of the training videos you will find on my channel, you can have a trial version, and once you have a trial, see how learn how to use the application within 30 days, because it's going to give you 30 days trial, and afterwards you can decide to buy or to purchase or not to purchase.